My name is Richard Land, and I have been doing maintenance at Danville Community Schools for 22 years, and it's been a great place to work. It's an everyday challenge, trying to make sure that everything is properly taken care of. We want to protect the public's investment, prevent large items from breaking down like air handlers, chillers, things like that. The maintenance team, they try to catch things before they happen. If they see a light out, they replace it. And they don't always wait on the work order. If they hear of a roof leak, they take care of it. They are outgoing, they're willing to be team players. I can't say enough about my team.